with the default settings in the Poco X2 phone. So overall friends, in my experience, I'll give marks to the AMOLED panel friends, because having the AMOLED panels, so there will be option of having always on display, which is present in both the phones and not in the Poco X2 device. So that is another disadvantage, so which I am missing in the Poco X2 phone friends. But overall friends, in terms of the display quality, I can give first preference to the Samsung Super AMOLED panel, then to the Realme display, and then the Poco X2 device friends. So this is the overall display comparison test between side by side Samsung, Realme and the Poco X2 device. So do comment below friends which display you felt better and which looks very good while watching the videos. So I did plenty of display comparison videos with other smartphones as well friends. So don't forget to check the links in description if you want to know in detail reviews about all the 3 smartphones. So subscribe to my channel friends, I take Guru, and that's it for this video friends, and for more videos subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video friends. Bye.